Medieval people thought sneezing blew out your soul. Medieval people thought sneezing could literally blow your soul out of your body. Medieval people, your soul lived in your breath, and a powerful sneeze could expel it forever, leaving you an empty shell. That's why everyone screams "bless you" when someone sneezes. The medievals would hold their breath around sick people to avoid soul theft. Some medieval doctors prescribed nose plugging during illness to prevent accidental soul ejection. The church even banned sneezing in certain holy areas. Subscribe for more ridiculous medieval body beliefs.